चोडण पोंबुर्फा फेरीच्या धोक्याची वायट स्थिती आसा। हो धोको अशीर आशिल्ल्यान गाडयांक यो वच करपाक अडचण निर्माण जाता। हे विशींचो प्रश्न आमदार प्रेमेन शेट हांणी विधानसभेत 0 आवरान मांडलो। चोडणा फेरी कडेन भरती वेळार उदक खाजन शेतांनी वचून पिकांचें लुकसाण जाता। सारमानस फेरीत धाक्याची 30 गत जाल्या देखून संबंधितात हो प्रश्न बेगोबेग सुटावो करचो अशी मागणी आमदार प्रेमेन शेट हांणी केला।
पोंबुर्फा ferry as well as Pilgaon Sarvanas Toka ferry point respectively. It is observed that the ramp at Soral Pomburfa ferry on both the sides is in dilapidated condition. That is, at the Pomburfa side, the ramp requires to be widened for free movement of the commuters vehicle along with the parking areas. Whereas from Soral ferry point, the river at the high tide flows over the ramp and enters into the Khazan field, thereby destroying the paddy crops. And due to flooding, approach road is not visible for the commuters, especially school children, citizens, senior citizens and vehicles are largely obstructed and face hardship. In this context, in my last LAQ number 9C tabled on 26/3/2025, government assured that inspection will be carried out to study the situation. However, till date, no action has been initiated. It is also observed that crew working in this ferry services are found to be inexperienced because on many occasions the ferry is docked at a random, that is at the side of ramp, dashing the bunds or above the ramp, which makes difficult for the commuter movement and exit and boarding point.